15 have come, huh? Okay, have you done all the programs? Okay, what was the task for today? What was the task for today?
Fibonacci.
Have you done the palindrome, factorial, Fibonacci, and the Armstrong as well? All these questions have you done? Have you done all? Why are they coming so late?
Good morning.
Let them join. They are joining. Okay, I want to check for a. I told in the last class that there will be the programs in your examinations and output, errors, all these such kind of questions can be asked with the 1 marker questions. Okay, output questions can be asked like this, which is given in your book. Do you have your book, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which is given in the solve questions 6.25 page according to my book, but this one is old one, I think. ठीक है, न्यू वाली कहाँ है, वो अभी मेरे पास नहीं है. ठीक है, you can check that there is a question of text equals to gmail dot. I'm just sending the photo. Wait, in your chat.
Page number.
What is the page number?
Page number 6.25 according to my book.
Which book, ma'am? MCRD or Preeti or
That is the question of strings, but I'm just discussing. Okay, leave it. ये देखो, मैं एक और question आपको दिखाती हूँ, बताती हूँ. Okay, that is not the part of string there.
Ma'am, which book? Preeti Arora or NCRT?
Preeti Arora.
Ma'am, Preeti Arora.
We are following the Preeti Arora only, na?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, practical implementation is there and questions are not there.
Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you given the last task of the pyramid, the pattern designing? Have you done? I gave some homework yesterday. The sound आ रही है, fan है, off है. बताओ बच्चों. Is there my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see these type of questions. The predict the output which is page number 5.32 according to my book. I'm just sending the pic of that also. That what the ma'am saying, like these error questions. See, I'm just.
Ma'am, the paper will be MCQ.
There will be the MCQs also, as well and the questions also. The written paper will be also there. So in that paper, we can ask the theory part and programs. Okay.
10th question.
Programs as well and the wait. See, I'm just sharing the screen now. See, the question is this visible? First of all, the error question can
Yes,
become
ma'am.
like this. Error question come. एक मिनट. हाँ. Yes, the error question can become like this. ठीक है, that we need to find the error in that part. Is this visible या छोटा आ रहा है? See, हाँ आप सही है. ठीक है. So like this is the question. Okay, the code is given here. Then you need to find the error in that. So for solving all these questions, what will you do? You will write the right code there. आप क्या करोगे बच्चे? आप पूरा राइट कोड आफ्टर द करेक्शन यू नीड टू राइट दैट क्वेश्चन. ओके, देन अंडरलाइन द पार्ट विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी करेक्टेड. ठीक है, जिसको भी आपने करेक्ट किया यू नीड टू अंडरलाइन दैट पार्ट सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव करेक्टेड दैट पार्ट. Is this okay? Any code can be asked. What is the question there? ये देखो. See, this is the code there. X equals to int. Enter value for x. It is given here. So what is missing here? क्या लिखते हैं हम? What input? Input is missing. So we are writing the correct statement here with and underlining that also. Okay. These kind of questions will become up to 12th class. So the way of writing the answer is this only, that you need to write the corrected way and underline that we have done this. We have done this. If you want, then here by marking 1, 2, 3 in front of that code, you can explain that error also. That was the error. Instead of that, it should become there. This is the syntax error. This whatever the error is there. Okay. And this is the
this can come in our upcoming exams.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, these type of questions can in the upcoming exams.
In the upcoming examination also and up to 12th also. Okay.
Ma'am, weightage.
Weightage I will give. Weightage I will give. Right. It will be mainly 2 marker question. Okay. Okay. And predict the output of the following code. To predict the output of the following code, it means the code is given here. What will be the output? See, आप बताइए what will be the output there? According to that, x equals to 3. We are taking one variable here, x. In that x, we are taking 3 there. Okay, if x is greater than 2 or x is less than 5 and x is equals to 6. So what will be the answer there? Print okay or no output?
No output.
Why no?
No output.
Why no output?
Because 3 is not equal to 6.
Not equals to 6. Okay. What is the difference between or and and?
Or means if any is correct, it will print true, and it will check both the statements. If both
Or
are
means
correct,
the
then it
either
will.
condition. Or means the either condition. If we are giving these two conditions there, x is greater than 5 and x is less than 5, and between this we are giving or there. Or means yeah. It means this condition is true or this condition is true or both are true. Then it will solve that. या तो ये हो या ये हो या दोनों भी correct है, then it will solve that. Okay, but whenever it is giving and. Whenever it is giving and, so what is the syntax for and? It means both conditions should be true. कि दोनों condition आपकी true होनी चाहिए तब वो solve करेगा उसको. Otherwise it will not solve. Okay, according to or, if either condition is true, then it will solve that condition. Otherwise, if both conditions are true, then it will solve. Okay, according to the and operator, according to the AND operator, if both conditions are true, then it will solve, otherwise it will not solve. समझ रहे हो? और के अकॉर्डिंग अगर एक भी ट्रू है, अगर दोनों ट्रू है, then it will solve that. Otherwise, according to AND, if both conditions are true, then it will solve, otherwise it will not solve. Is this fine? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer according to that statement? This one. Take one. See. These B and C, but what will be the output there? Solve this in your paper and tell me what will be the output there.
Ma'am, the answer of B will be false, sir.
False. Okay. And answer C? Answer C? ये तो तुम फटाफट सॉल्व कर रहे हो, क्या बात है? रुको, मैं आपको एक अच्छा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन देती हूँ, ठीक है? चलो, डू इट फास्ट. The answer, next answer, C answer.
C का 6.
C का 6, sure. एक मिनट, I need to check it. Wait.
Yes.
Wait, I'm checking. Copy another output I'm giving. I will give the question from another books also. These kind of questions, okay? Because we need to do practice, lots of practice.